So if you're anything like me, you probably spent half of your monthly disposable income on iced coffee. So this here is a glass pitcher. This is a little machine from Presto called Dorothy. So I don't know if that's a reference to the Wizard of Oz or a Twister, but it's a pretty cool little machine. So make sure this is turned off. Take this little cup here. Just slide it down in there. Not like that. Slide it down in there. Take this water here and fill it up to the max fill line. Let's get the rest of this. I use bottled water. I'm not going to use stuff from the tap. Fill this bad boy all the way up. Get some more water from the fridge, I guess. Here we go. Fill that bad boy up here. Some filtered water from the fridge. Should have been more prepared here. Okay, here we go. So you put this bad boy on here like this, and then you start kicking it on a bit here. See a little bubbles. Oh, let's turn it up a little, turn it up a little, turn it up a little. It's really nifty. Then you take 2/3 the cup of this coffee, and you start kind of slowly dumping it in. Slowly dumping it in. Slowly dump it in here. And you crank this bad boy all the way up. And so you let this run for 15 minutes. And we'll come back and do a second video here after 15 minutes.